Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can mass extract a bunch of zip files into their own folders using WinRar. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you're going to want to open up WinRar. There will be a link in the description below to download it. So press the Windows key on your keyboard, type in WinRar, and then click on WinRar. After that, you're then going to want to navigate to where the zip folders are located. A quick way to do that is to copy the address in the Windows File Explorer, and then go into the little address box up here, deleting all of the text inside, right-clicking, clicking on paste, then press enter, and you'll be in the same place. Then you're going to want to click on the top zip file, then hold the shift key and click on the bottom one. Now you've selected all of them. Then you're going to want to click on Commands. Then click on Extract Without Confirmation. Doing this will extract each zip folder into its own regular folder. And if we go back to Windows File Explorer, we can see the changes here. And that's all you have to do to mass extract zip folders using WinRar without using the Windows context menu. Thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.